My name's Pam Kurt. I'm an attorney here in Ashtabula County. I have an office in Lake County, Geauga County, and Ashtabula. I grew up here in Saybrook, went to Harbor High School, and happy to expand an office in Ashtabula. The office is at 3503 Carpenter Road, right at the Saybrook-Ashtabula line. I've been here maybe a little over a month. The Kurt Law Office has existed since 2009. And like I said, I'm happy to expand out in this area. I have two other offices, one in Wickliffe on Euclid Avenue, another one in Chardon right on the square. The reason I expanded to Ashtabula is I wanted to be able to come back to this area and be able to give back to the community. I'm very active in Lake County, also in Geauga County in the community. I want to be able to bring those same resources and same legal services to this area where I grew up and to be able to offer those services local for the clients I have here, as well as to service family and friends. I am bouncing between all three offices. Depending on the day of the week and depending on what clients need to see me, I try to make myself available for them at whichever office. Try to market Kurt Law Office as a general practice. By coming to Ashtabula County, we are going to be the largest law firm here in Ashtabula. We have a total of 12 attorneys, 8 support staff. We market as a general full practice, so pretty much most legal problems we could solve. So the goal is to be a family neighborhood attorney. So that is why I placed in each county, because I want to have Northeast Ohio area to be accessible for our clients. We do family law, criminal law, estate planning, including Medicaid planning, any kind of real estate consumer, as well as small business. I personally do mostly family and then criminal. But again, we have attorneys that will specialize and be able to answer complex questions from zoning to Medicaid. So that's why I try to make it more consumer friendly, and so that a family can stay with us from an easy traffic ticket problem to something when it comes to planning for life and estate planning.
I went online and all the lawyers were telling me there was probably nothing anyone could do for me. And this one lawyer had emailed me and said, contact Pam Kurt, and I did. And I emailed her, and she emailed me back right away and told me she'd like for me to come in and hear my case. She wasn't offering me anything other than to hear the case. And when I came in, she offered me that hope that no one else offered me. She didn't guarantee anything, but she offered me the hope that I didn't have. And that's all I needed. I needed that hope.
Pam's really a very, very nice lawyer.
She won us over. They all did.
I went to school at Harbor High School. Thereafter, I went to Lakeland. And from Lakeland, I went to Cleveland State. At Cleveland State, I got both my master's in public administration as well as my Juris Doctorate. I have a dual major in my bachelor's. I did graduate with honors. It depends on what level, to magna or cum laude. And like I said, a local girl, happy to come back, and primarily want to focus in Northeast Ohio. I've served on a couple different boards. I usually am involved in the local Chamber of Commerce, and we've recently joined the Chamber of Commerce, Ashtabula and Geneva here in Ashtabula County. I'm also involved in chambers in the other counties. I am involved usually in domestic violence. I'm connected with Ohio Domestic Violence Network in Columbus. I'm on the board for Forbes House, and I also do some things for Women Safe in Geauga County. Most recently, I joined Pay It Forward Foundation, which is a new organization. And it's a charity that gives back to the working middle-class people when they run into difficult times. I was doing workshops for people to start small business. It was primarily geared for women business owners. I've worked in collaborations. I have a promotions person, an accountant. We have a life coach. We have a business planning coach. And that workshop encompassed all those people and resources. And since those ladies have also maintained to be clients, they've opened Chesterland Innovation Center. And it's a small business like incubator. And it's just south in Geauga County. We do legal talks there regularly. And that's another example of community service. We're there on Tuesday afternoons, and Wednesday nights, once a month, we do seminars. We do monthly seminars at Forbes House shelter as well. And those are the kind of things I want to expand and be able to do in Ashtabula. One of the reasons I came back to Ashtabula County, I want to be able to provide quality legal services. I think that I grew up here and we always think we have to go downtown Cleveland for doctors and lawyers or whoever. And I want people to feel comfortable. I want them to be able to realize that we want to be your family attorney. We want to be able to help you with whatever it is. If it's a legal question that I don't have a lawyer that knows how to handle it, I could refer you to someone, but I would rather they call me first. I would love to help. We do offer free consultations at any of the locations, and you could call the schedule to talk to me or one of the attorneys, and we're always available via internet and email as well.
Pam is very friendly, easy to talk to. She was truly interested in me and myself and the family. Pam was there for support and guided me in the right direction with letting me make the decision. I made the decisions completely with my husband, but she was there to give us options. I was alone with just the kids, and I would struggle at times, so I would get up and just email Pam some of my thoughts or what was going on at the time. But in the last several years, I have gone through a divorce. I have gotten married. I have raised 3 kids, 2 teenage girls. My ex-significant other, his nephew, I was raising also. And through it all, I continued to go to Kent State, and I have graduated, and I will take boards here this summer and get back into, hopefully, drug and alcohol addiction is what I would like to work in. But Pam was there to listen and encourage me and still tell me she was proud, even having to make decisions that I had to make. But she was there for support. She's so wonderful, honestly.
Our hours are generally 8 to 5:30. We do evening appointments quite frequently, as well as Saturdays, but that would be by appointment only.